Here's Depression Lake, a place where I go to raise my spirits. Nice little lake, man-made, created right off of Baker Lake Dam, right at the foot of Baker Mountain, an active volcano, or inactive. Here's some people out here fishing. I always ask permission if I can take their picture. They said sure. I guess a guy and grandchild. She waves. Hey! And up we go. I'm on the shore taking pictures here. There's my campsite with the RV. A couple chairs out there. And me on the bank, flying the drone around with the dog. There's my dog. And here's a faraway view. That's the west end of the lake. Flying around the edge of the bank. It's all wooded. There's no camping or anything on that side. It's nice to get my two-man raft out there and anchor out there in the middle of the lake and just start casting with an orange rooster tail. Last time I was out there, caught my limit inside of about a half hour. Very nice. It's a beautiful little lake though. Go up there in the middle of the week. There's nobody up there. Go up there on weekends. It is crowded. So I usually take Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday off and head up there for a day or two. Here I'm getting a little altitude. You can see Baker Lake in the distance there. And there's the dam between Baker Lake and Lake Depression. That's about 1,000-foot elevation. You can see down the valley. You see the boat ramp, and you can also see the RV parked there on the side, all by myself. And here we have me and the wife. It is nice to, and it always makes it a lot easier when they stock the lake with thousands and thousands of fishies. They dumped about 5,000 fish in the morning. I caught my limit. Yeah, it's kind of cheating, but that's the way it goes. There's my dog Tupper, and the thousands of fish all swarming on the bottom. Needless to say, it was like shooting fish in a barrel.